as it flows inside, rising, falling like the ocean's tide, walking, standing, lying down, we see the body's truth, its impermanency. Cleaning, moving, actions we take, a fragile form destined to break. Mindful steps, a path so clear, freedom calls, no need for fear. Through the body, feelings, mind and more, we find the key to open the door. Pleasant moments, a fleeting delight, unpleasant ones like shadows at night. Neutral spaces, so subtle, so bare, all arise and fade like whispers in air. Impermanence teaches the truth of this life, beyond the fleeting joys and strife. Mindful steps, a path so clear, freedom calls, no need for fear. Through the body, feelings, mind and more, we find the key to open the door. Is the mind calm or restless in play, focused and clear or led astray? No judgment here, just a gentle gaze, seeing the mind in all its ways. Clouds of delusion, let them drift by. Truth emerges when we question why. Hindrances fall like leaves to the ground. Desire and doubt no longer bound. The Four Noble Truths, a beacon of light, guiding us through the darkest night. Form and feeling, all we perceive, mental